I'm going to review with you how to graph y equals -1 and then x equals 1. The different equations that you're going to see y equals and x equals. When you have a y equals line, it will be horizontal across your graph. Y equals -1. I have already graphed that right here. I went to the origin and I went down 1. This is where y equals -1 and it's a horizontal line straight across. Our next y equals line is y equals 5. I went to the origin and then I went up 5. And again, it's going to be a horizontal line straight across the graph. Y equals -7. I went to the origin and I went down 7. And again, this is a horizontal line. So the other equation that we have is x equals 1. I'm going to switch colors to show you the difference. Make sure that on your project you're using the colors that are in the directions. X equals 1, I go to the origin. X equals 1 right here. And it's supposed to be a vertical line, so my dots are going to go straight up and down. Take your ruler, connect the dots, put arrows on the end of that line. So again, the y line, or the x line, I'm sorry, is vertical. So the next one is x equals 5. Go to your graph, go to the origin, and go 5 right on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot right there. This is going to be a vertical line, so you're going to make your dots up and down. Grab your ruler, nice long line, arrows on the end. Last one, x equals -7. Go to the origin, go left 7, because that is where the negatives are on the left. This is going to be a vertical line, so draw your dots up and down. Take your ruler, draw your line and arrows on the end. Your graph is going to start to look very full, and that's okay, just as long as you're using the correct colors that are on the directions. There's one more graph I'm going to show you that you will have. Is an equation like y equals 2x. When you have an equation y equals 2x, start at the origin. And then, whatever this number is right here, that's your rise, meaning going up. And then, to make it a fraction, 2 is really 2 over 1. And 1 is called the run, and that tells you how far left or right to go. So if I start at the origin, the number is a 2, so I go up 2, and then to the right 1. You're going to run into that line there on this practice sheet. That's okay. From that dot, I do the same thing, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. To make the line go longer in this direction, from that original dot, you go down 2 and then left 1. Down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. Go ahead and take your ruler, line up all the dots, make it nice and long, put arrows on the end. If you have any questions on how to graph these equations, just come and ask.